In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to purchase the Bluehost web hosting at a discount price. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. First, make sure to visit the Bluehost website from the link given in the description below this video. And after visiting the Bluehost site, then here you can see the price is already discounted to $2.95 per month. But I'll also show you how to get more discounts as well. So just click on the Host Your Site button. And here you can see the two options, 12 months and 36 months, just select the one. And here you can see the starting price of the basic plan of Bluehost is only $2.95 per month. And with this plan you can create one website, you're getting all these features. You'll get a free domain name for 1 year and free SSL as well. And here you can see the price of their Plus and Choice Plus is the same. So if you want to create more than one website, then you can choose their Choice Plus plan. You'll get more great features as well. But if you're a beginner, then can go for their basic plan, which is only $2.95 per month. Just click on the Select button. And here you can create the domain name for your site. Or if you already have a domain name, then you can type it here. Otherwise, you can create your domain name from here for free. Or if you can't decide right now, then you can click on this button, so you can create your domain name later as well. And here, you can sign in using your Google account, or you can fill out all the details below to sign up. Now, when you scroll down here, then you can see there are only two options, 12 months and 36 months. And the price of 12 months plan is $2.95 per month and $4.95 per month for 36 months plan. But when I click on any of the plans here, then, you can see I'm getting this 65% special sign-up offer. I'm still getting this offer. If you visit Bluehost from the description link, then you may get this offer as well. So simply click on Claim Savings here. And after that, scroll down here. And then you can see the price is now $2.65 per month. And now you only have to pay $2.65 per month for their 36 monthly plan, and the total price for their 36-month plan will only be $95.40. So if you visit from the description link, then you will get this offer as well. If you came to this page and didn't get this offer, then simply wait on this page and scroll down from below to the top. Or click any of the plans from here, to get this huge discount offer pop up. And now scroll down here, and from Package Extra, I recommend unchecking all this. And then you can see the total price is only $95.40. Now finally scroll down here, you can pay with a credit card. Or you can click on this More Payment option button. And then you will get this PayPal payment option as well. Simply select the payment method. Then scroll down, check this box. And then click on the Submit button. And after purchasing, you'll get the login details of your Bluehost hosting at the email address that you've provided here. So in this way you can purchase the Bluehost web hosting at this huge discount offer. If you're a beginner, then you must not miss this offer. If you're ready to make a Bluehost hosting purchase, then consider purchasing it from the below link and get yourself a discount. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with more offers videos like this. Thanks for watching.